Welcome to my very first video on my channel Hammer Time. First video hype! My name is Stefan and I've signed up for Bloodstorm Ratkin Revolt, a Warhammer the Old World tournament that's happening in just 1 month. And I've got a high elf army I'm going to bring that's, well, let's just say it's a work in progress. Now this episode is one of my Road to Bloodstorm series, where I want to take you along as I build, paint and prep for the event and hopefully make it towards the finish line in style. Bloodstorm is a great series of events I've been attending for years. They've always struck a great balance between casual fun. Now huge shout out to Lars and the Bloodstorm crew for organizing these events. They put so much love and energy into them. And if you're even remotely interested, check out bloodstorm.nl. I'll drop a link in the description. Now this particular event, Ratkin Revolt, is a 1500 point, 3-round tournament with a twist. Every player gets to bring a giant for free. Yeah, you heard that right. The Blood Giant plays a special role in the missions, so it's not just a gimmick, it's integral to the event. And of course, I'm going to customize mine to match its name. So, let's talk about the army I'm bringing. Now I'm going with a Phoenix Guard themed list, because to me, Warhammer is all about the narrative, and I love me some flaming vengeance. So, here's the roster. For 1500 points, I'm bringing a Flame Warden Noble as my general. He's riding a Frost Phoenix, and he's here to freeze my enemies in place. My second character is going to be a Loremaster Noble for some good old-fashioned might and magic. For core, I'm bringing 2 units of Silver Helms, Noble Elves answering the noble cause, and 5 archers, because, well, yeah, I'll be honest, I needed to fill up a core. For special, I'm bringing 15 Flame Wardens, the heart of the army, silent, stoic, and deadly. For rare, I'm bringing a Flamespyre Phoenix because, you know, well duh. And lastly, 2 Great Eagles, which I still need to 3D print, but they're not just any Great Eagles. These are going to be baby phoenixes, because the theme must flow. Now here's the thing. Most of this army is in various stages of almost done. Some models are fully painted, some need some detail work, some need to be rebased, and some haven't even been printed yet. So yeah, it's going to be a ride. Now, planning, not exactly my strongest suit. Creativity, absolutely. Scheduling and sticking to the plan, yeah, not so much. But I've given myself 4 weeks and around 2 hours a day with kids, job and life and all that factored in. And this challenge is the perfect motivator I need to actually get it done. And I fully intend to rise to the occasion. Even if it's going to be chaotic, it's going to be fun. And to me, that's what the hobby is all about. Next video, I plan to show you some actual painting progress, and hopefully not just a pile of flaming panic. So subscribe if you want to follow along, and if you're going to the Bloodstorm event too, drop a comment below. I'd love to meet some of you there, so let's go!